Hi everyone, it's Sue. Welcome to my channel today. I'm just going to do a very quick video, and I'm going to speed it up, put it to music because it'll be long and boring. So what I thought I'd do is just very quickly, so that people who are interested in receiving the Happy Mail know kind of what they're getting. You won't know exactly, but you'll have some idea. So I thought I'd just do a series of short videos, and I'll put it all together, of the sort of things that I'm packing into each of the envelope. Now what I will do is try to get as much in as I can, working of course towards the weight for a simple basic standard letter. So just going to pop some stamps in. I've sort of gone through my stamps and pulled out the ones that I've got lots and lots of, so that generally everyone will get pretty much the same, give or take a few different ones. So as I said, I will speed it up and put it to music.